Welcome back to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am incredibly proud of your fantastic commitment. Today is day 7 of our 10-day shadowing challenge. You are so close to finishing the whole challenge.
Hi, everyone. I am Tom. Welcome to day 7. Today, we are exploring the streets. We're going to practice essential phrases for asking for directions, giving directions, and navigating any modern city safely.
This is a lifesaver lesson, Tom. When you travel, you must know how to ask for help if you get lost. Remember our successful system on English with Sarah. Listen to the 60% slow speed to train your ears, capture the natural flow at 90% speed, and use the deep pause to shadow out loud. Let us start.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Excuse me, I am completely lost. Can you help me? Natural speed. Excuse me, I'm completely lost. Can you help me?
Great start. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. How can I get to the nearest train station? Natural speed. How can I get to the nearest train station?
Excellent. Phrase number 3. Listen slowly. Is there a public bus stop near this street? Natural speed. Is there a public bus stop near this street?
Great tone. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. Where is the famous historical museum located, please? Natural speed. Where is the famous historical museum located, please?
Beautiful. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. Is the central bank far from this location? Natural speed. Is the central bank far from this location?
Good job. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. No, it is very close, just a 5-minute walk. Natural speed. No, it is very close, just a 5-minute walk.
Very clear. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. You need to turn left at the next traffic light. Natural speed. You need to turn left at the next traffic light.
Nice rhythm. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. Go straight ahead and then turn right carefully. Natural speed. Go straight ahead and then turn right carefully.
Brilliant. Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. The beautiful modern hotel is across from the park. Natural speed. The beautiful modern hotel is across from the park.
Fantastic. Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. It is right next to the big supermarket chain. Natural speed. It is right next to the big supermarket chain.
You are doing great. Let's continue moving. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. Should I take a taxi or catch the subway? Natural speed. Should I take a taxi or catch the subway?
Perfect. Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. Where can I buy a city travel map, please? Natural speed. Where can I buy a city travel map, please?
Outstanding. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. Please follow this main road until the very end. Natural speed. Please follow this main road until the very end.
Great control. Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Is it safe to walk here alone at night? Natural speed. Is it safe to walk here alone at night?
Great style. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. What is the best way to avoid heavy traffic? Natural speed. What is the best way to avoid heavy traffic?
Superb. Let's check navigation. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Is there a petrol or gas station nearby? Natural speed. Is there a petrol or gas station nearby?
Very useful. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. The pharmacy is located on the second corner. Natural speed. The pharmacy is located on the second corner.
Incredible accuracy. Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. Can you show me the direction to the beach? Natural speed. Can you show me the direction to the beach?
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. You are currently driving in the completely wrong direction. Natural speed. You are currently driving in the completely wrong direction.
Excellent. Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. We need to stop and ask for navigation help. Natural speed. We need to stop and ask for navigation help.
Keep pushing. Phrase number 21. Listen slowly. Thank you so much for your clear directions. Natural speed. Thank you so much for your clear directions.
Beautiful. Phrase number 22. Listen slowly. Have a wonderful and safe trip around our city. Natural speed. Have a wonderful and safe trip around our city.
Wonderful. Phrase number 23. Listen slowly. I will take the next exit on the highway. Natural speed. I will take the next exit on the highway.
Powerful. Phrase number 24. Listen slowly. Is it better to walk or use public transport? Natural speed. Is it better to walk or use public transport?
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 25. Listen slowly. Exploring a new place fills my life with joy. Natural speed. Exploring a new place fills my life with joy.
Absolutely spectacular. Day 7 is officially done. You have mastered 25 navigation phrases that will make you feel like a local speaker anywhere in the world. Your pronunciation flows beautifully now.
Yes, Sarah. Knowing how to find your way gives you massive freedom. Remember to repeat this lesson tonight to lock these map and city patterns into your memory.
Make sure to subscribe to English with Sarah, like this video, and drop a comment down below saying, Day 7 completed.
And now, let's look forward to tomorrow. Day 8 is going to be incredibly warm and cozy. We're entering the heart of daily life. Sarah, tell them what's coming.
Oh, day 8 is so sweet. Tomorrow, we're going to master family talk, home activities, and daily household routines. You'll learn how to describe your home, talk about your parents, children, or siblings, and talk about common chores like cleaning, cooking, and relaxing at home.
Thank you for your magnificent energy today on English with Sarah. Keep shadowing, keep smiling, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.